Hey guys, what's up? So today we'll be checking out this iPad pencil that I got from Amazon. It's around 35 bucks. I got it to use with my 11-inch iPad Pro. This pencil is also magnetic and it also features palm rejection. It comes packaged pretty well. Looks and feels just like a regular pencil. Nice and slim. It should take around 90 minutes for a full charge. Now let's see what's inside. There goes our USB charging cable. And an extra tip. Now let's take a closer look. That's your power button. Turns white when it's on. When it's plugged in and charging, the light should turn red. It should last around 15 hours of continuous working and 120 days standby time. Okay, so here the pencil is off. If you notice, it doesn't work, so it definitely has to be on. And there we go. We're able to swipe. Now let's see how it writes. It's pretty responsive. As you can see, there's like no lag. Pretty nice. And from there we can erase everything. And let's try to pull up our pencil controls. As you can see, we're able to move it all around the screen wherever we feel most comfortable. Select different styles and also different colors. Now let's check out how it responds to typing on the keyboard. Nice and smooth, no lag. Let's check out my channel. Nice scrolling, no delay at all. Works perfect in controls. As you can see, we can skip right through the video. Again, no delays. Pretty nice and smooth. What do you guys think about this? Let me know in the comments down below. Now let's see how this thing does in a browser. As you can see, it scrolls pretty smooth. No lag at all. You can also hold down and open menus. Or you could just tap and open the link. I'll also leave the Amazon link in the description in case you guys want to check it out. I use this pencil a lot to edit my videos. Here's an example in LumaFusion. As you can see, I'm able to control the timeline with the pencil, trim the clips, and basically do everything you would normally do in a video editor, all with the pencil. You can also swipe across like this and take a screenshot and write anything you want. Here goes a nice message. Please subscribe, guys. So you're not able to get into the app switcher with the pencil. You have to swipe up with your finger, but you can close out the apps like that. This is the side that's magnetic. Fits perfectly. No issues at all. Overall, it's a great pencil and I'd highly recommend it. Here's a few more examples. Shake it, it's not gonna fall off. I don't own an Apple Pencil, so I can't do a comparison, but this $30 pencil seems to do everything that I want. If you're new here, guys, please subscribe to the channel and also press the like button if you enjoyed this video. Also comment down below, let me know what you thought about this video. As always, guys, thanks for watching and peace out.